All right, guys, welcome back to another day at Locust Farm and Fab Shop. So we are back from our weekend jaunt. There you go, that's better. We're back from our weekend jaunt, and yeah, this is just some of the stuff that we've got while we were away. But while we were there, we were in Ringgold, Georgia, and we got to see a really cool car show. So you can see this up here, and we'll go from there. And then when we're done, we're gonna get this going. So fixing to unload all this stuff while y'all watch that video. Comment, like, subscribe, Locust Farm and Fab Shop. We'll see you. Remember, if it ain't broke, I didn't work on it. So, on our road trip, we end up in Ringgold, Georgia, or Dalton, Georgia, somewhere on US 41 on the Nashville Street. I have no idea, but we found a car show, so we're going to show y'all some pictures. Appreciate y'all watching.
Oh, I need to get my...
Oh yeah. What year is yours?
What?
What year is this?
66.
I'm building a 62. I'm doing an LS swap on it though. We're on a road trip, so I saw all this and I said, oh, I'm getting out and putting this on YouTube. It's just a car show on Saturday night. Pretty cool. Hey, now how you? All right, well, we're gonna walk down and look at these cars. There are a bunch of them. I even got Lily's laptop with us. All right, guys, we're gonna turn around and show y'all this. Oh, I forget my drone. Yeah. I gotta walk in front.
I bet this thing's swing.
It runs pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful when you got that motor.
I like that one. That's nice. Oh no.
Not very much. No. I think...
How's it going?
Fine, how are you?
Doing all right. 427. That is very nice. Yeah, let's swap. A Thunder Chicken. That's nice.
And one, I had this other call that was off of his leash.
Macho TA. Those are my two favorite cars right there. Oops, sorry. This was awesome. Oh, I'm good. All right, hold that. You film. I can do this for a short.
Hey.
Saturday night in a small town. Alrighty. Yep. I like this Jeep. It says Dirt Dauber. Inline six. Old Fox body.
too. That wine was nice out here. Have a good evening. You too, buddy. Thank you.
I can only dream.
That's right.
I'm building mine, but it's
yeah, okay, good for
your
you.
project.
Yeah, you're further ahead than I am.
I'm LS swapping a 62 C10, so
Oh, wow.
Yep.
There you go.
have a good one. Celine Mustang. Belvedere GTS. Oh yeah. That's cool. JL. This is what this is. Hey, if I get another Jeep, that's what I want it to be, a JL. It's got the extended, it's not the 4-door, but it's the 2-door extended. Walk across and walk up. I'm really thinking about getting the drone out and flying down. Huh? Here you go. Step side. Got the white steelies. So we have walked up and down the road. Look at that, got a surfboard on top. All right guys, we're gonna get back on the road, see what else we can see. Comment, like, subscribe, Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Remember, if it ain't broke, I didn't work on it. We'll catch y'all later. See you.